Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can find content filtering option in your Bluesky social app. So content filtering, it means you can filter any content, like you can show or you can hide the adult content, spam, unwanted content, pornography, adult things, many things. You can control over content filtering option. So how you can find this? So you can see a top left corner on your screen. So simply click on this and then click moderation, and then here you'll get the option content filtering, the first option on this is on your screen, and it by default it's enabled, but if you make it disable, then everything will be hide, or you can do it manually, like explicit sexual image, other nudity, sexual suggestive, violent, bloody. So you can customize your feed through content filtering. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.